All right, gang, want to share, a new hobby that we are jumping into and what we grabbed here. We got the Arts and Crafts candle making kit. Now we picked up the big kit here. It's got 50 pounds of soy wax flakes, 100 pre-waxed wicks, and 2 metal centering devices. A lot of things to love about this. Some of the things that we loved is there's no synthetics inside of this soy wax, making it burn really clean, really smoothly. It's a gentler, cleaner burn than traditional paraffin wax. It's a very beginner-friendly kind of setup. It's pretty easy to do. I didn't have a double boiler, so I just used a pot of boiling water with another pot inside of it to melt the wax, and it melted so cleanly, poured so smoothly, dried very well. We let it sit just overnight on the counter, and it seems to have dried super well. Now, the kit does not come with any scents, any fragrances, so we just picked some up at a local store and added one of them to this, and man, it took the fragrance oil very well, and it seems to be burning super clean. One of the questions I keep seeing online is, do the wicks stay centered? Yes, with those little tools that they have, the wicks clip in there. You can use a little dab of wax at the bottom to hold them in as you pour. With that centering device, man, everything stays exactly where you want it to be. This is a plain soy. This is not a blend. It's not a typical 464 or 444 blend. This is made by Arts and Crafts, and man, we love it. So is the Arts and Crafts wax kit right for you? If you're after a high quality, clean burning, beginner friendly, value packed wax kit, this one delivers. Easy to melt, holds scents well, and offers everything you need to pour hundreds of clean, beautiful candles. Check it out and let me know what you think.